I'm Ren.
And I'm Dad.
And today we're playing ukulele. Yep, so make sure to enjoy. Okay, so you can get ukuleles at the Pau Hana Room here at Aulani. And so we're just going to be showing you some of the basic chords that have been marked on here. So, let's start.
Yep, so just real quick, so it's free to check these out. And we've actually checked this out for our whole trip, correct?
Yeah.
So we have for the whole time.
Okay.
Second day. So the red triangle on here is a C chord. The three green triangles, so bottom, middle, and here, so you make a little triangle with the green triangles, is a G. The light blue one on top is an A minor. And the two yellow ones are F. So what did we do to learn some of the songs?
So they actually will give you website recommendations on where you can go. I also just looked some up on YouTube. So it's super easy. You can just look up simple ukulele and look up like this song, or you can just look up that for a bunch of song recommendations. And we'll put a link to the website that we used in the description. We are playing You're Welcome from Moana. 3, 2, 1. What can I say except you're welcome? For the tides of sun in the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. Just know that I'm God.
It's short.
Okay, so we are doing Riptide.
We're trying to do Riptide. We'll see how it goes. Count it down for you. 3, 2, 1.
Lazy, running down to the Riptide, taking our way to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing this song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
That wasn't too bad.
What we'll be playing is Lava.
Yeah, so note that the chords are a little different than on this one. So we're going to be playing the C, we're going to play an F, but we're also going to be doing a G7, which is, you're going to still use the same two green triangles, but then instead of having your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, you're going to do it on the 1st fret. So it's going to look like this in here. So it's a G7, just so you're aware of that. Yeah. And it's a fun Disney song, so we thought this would be a good one to do. Okay, count it down for us.
3, 2, 1. I hope will come true, that you're here with me, and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth, sea, and sky up above will send me someone to love.
So that's a quick and easy, just 3 chord progression to play Lava.
Okay, so the last song is Somewhere Over the Rainbow. I had a little trouble singing this one, so it is just going to be Dad playing the ukulele.
There you go. Somewhere Over the Rainbow.
So thank you for watching. I really enjoyed playing ukulele for the past 9 days. So it was just a really fun activity, and I love being able to rent them and learn them, because when I was little I used to just kind of mess around with ukuleles, but it's really cool actually being able to like know some of the chords.
Yeah, this was a fun activity, and it was free. And like we said, you can get these down at the community hall. Worth doing, and you can look up tabs and songs, and we'll put some links down below in this. Thank you very much for joining us.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. And once you subscribe, press the bell for notifications so you know when we upload a new video. And most of all, enjoy.